everyone. Let's hear from BG Trading. Hope you are well. Today is 1st of March 2022, and I'll be analyzing once again Allkem Limited, which the SX code is AKE. This is a company that we have been invested since last year, and we also trade this stock together with our VP members, which reached target 1, which is about $12. And just before dropping towards what we call a potential buying area again. And that's why I'm actually covering this stock, because I believe could be a great area to look into as a buying opportunity according to our strategy. So let's have a look. Just want to remind, this is not a financial advice, just as from BG Trading, sharing with you how we apply our strategies to know when to buy and when to sell stocks, how we set up targets, stop losses, how we avoid FOMO, and much more in this channel for you. So please subscribe and share. Share this video with someone that you believe could be helping or interested on this particular stock. So let's jump straight into. I put together this analysis based on a latest announcement from yesterday, the release of the first half of 2022 financial results, and I'm going to discuss a few highlights here, and also why I believe this is a good company to have on a portfolio for either long-term or short-term trade. Not just based on the fundamentals of the company, but also on the macroeconomics that at the moment it's extremely favorable for companies like Allkem Limited. So if you don't know what Allkem Limited is, Allkem was formed just recently between the merge of Galaxy Resources and Orocobre, which now is one of the 5th largest company, lithium producer carbonate company in the world. And there is a lot of expansion happening behind the scenes. So the first thing happening is stage 2 expansion of the flagship Oloroso lithium facility in Argentina. The expansion will add another 25,000 tons per annum of lithium carbonate production capacity, which is really, really good, taking the company to the full production capacity to 42,500 tons per annum of lithium carbonate to sell in the industry. There's also, and then this is expansion now. The company has just released that the expansion is now about 68% completed, and commissioning is anticipated to second half of 2022. Guys, this is extremely catalytic information that will start popping up as announcements. All the status of this project expansion will pop up, and then obviously that will help to boost the stock price. So this is just a little bit for you to have idea what's the scope of the expansion. All this green area here will be the expanded part, and the blue area is what is currently happening at stage 1, which is already completed, is already producing. Now, furthermore, there is also a construction of a Naraha project in Japan, which is to be delivered in the first half of 2022 and is largely completed. So this plant is expected to deliver 10,000 tons per annum of lithium hydroxide in Naraha, Japan. The construction of the Naraha lithium hydroxide plant will further cement Orocobre, which is now Allkem positioning global lithium chemical producer. This is a joint venture with Toyota Tsusho Corporation, a Toyota's subsidiary. It is perfect seated logistically, will be perfect seated into the area. Now, I want to talk about the macroeconomics. The macroeconomics is extremely favorable for companies like this. It is being very well benefited by this macroeconomic at the moment. So there's a big upward pricing moment in the lithium. and obviously a short of supply, a lot of scarcity in the market, and I can see that throughout 2022 and the first half of 2023, any investment in a company that will be able to deliver high quality, high purity lithium in the market should outperform the rest of the market. And then obviously by the second half of 2023, we potentially will see a lot of new players come in the market. Then we have to reappraise the whole situation. That also could bring some balance to the market of lithium as well. So supply will start increasing. There's a lot of potential for this type of company. As I said here, this is a red flag here is, again, as we previously highlighted, long-term holders need to check the supply as several small players are set to enter in the market and the supply chain by 2025, despite the massive demand. So we'll probably be looking at a reappraisal by 2023 and then see who is getting into the market, how is the lithium prices, and how is the demand of EV materials like battery related materials. Now, let's take a look on the technical side of Allkem Limited. Okay, here we are. What we have here is a hypothetical support, which is an ascending support. And as you can see, the market has been testing the $9 support level for quite some time, and the share price has been held well above. So what I believe here is now what we have is a bullish intersection and then a bearish intersection. So we normally buy and we look for a bullish intersection. After that, in this case, what we're looking at is a bullish intersection here, level 2, which is the candle crossing the yellow line. And what we want to do is we want to have those candles trading above the yellow line. So it's likely that we see this happening sideways for a little bit before the market jumps back and before this volatility ends. You know, obviously depends on what's happening with Ukraine and Russia, and also with the interest rates. But one thing we look at it's certainty. So a companies like Allkem, which is already producing, which is already expanding and has a history of actually delivering its project. So it makes a much safer place to land money than a small explorer like Sayona Mining or other companies, for example, that is not yet producing. So this is why I believe this would be a good opportunity to buy. And then this is another thing, the stocks trading under the SMA. Remember that according to our strategy, you need to buy when the stock's trading under the SMA, or under. And we believe we squeeze level between what we call hypothetical support area here, the yellow, and the SMA, which is the red line. This range here is a pretty good range to be buying in or accumulating this stock. Now, last time we trade, it reached our target one, which was around $11.90. And then obviously we sold, we took some profit out of the table, and we even have higher targets. Now it is definitely a good opportunity to be looking at, and obviously make your own research, guys. This is just based on our strategy. Good opportunity to look into buying this stock at the moment. Obviously the lowest you can buy around at this support level, the best. But we are currently holding this stock, and then we believe on the fundamentals of this company. Guys, this was my analysis for Allkem Limited, and hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. The whole idea when we designed BG Trading BGS20 strategy, we really hope this course will help you to make better decisions and make successful trades. See you in the course.